Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to remove SearchMine from Safari on your iPhone, so you can fix unwanted redirects and restore your normal browsing experience. The first and most important step is to reset Safari data. Go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, scroll down and tap on Safari. Inside Safari Settings, tap on Clear History and Website Data, then confirm the action when prompted. This step is very important because it removes stored cookies, cached data, and any unwanted redirects that may have been added by SearchMine or similar hijackers, helping restore Safari to a clean state. Now, for the second step, check your search engine settings. Stay inside Settings and open Safari again. Look for the search engine option and make sure it is set to Google or your preferred search engine. Sometimes unwanted software like SearchMine changes this setting, so correcting it helps restore normal search behavior. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the DelftStack channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials like this. Now, for the third and very important step, check for suspicious profiles on your device. Go to Settings, then tap General. Scroll down and select VPN Device Management or Profiles, depending on your iOS version. If you see any profile that looks unfamiliar or suspicious, tap on it and delete it immediately. This step is crucial because in many cases, SearchMine keeps coming back due to installed configuration profiles that control Safari settings and redirects. Removing them helps permanently fix the issue. Once you complete all these steps, restart your Safari browser and check again. Your browsing should now be back to normal without unwanted redirects. That's it. You have successfully learned how to remove SearchMine from Safari on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.